Nations are prioritizing modernizing their naval capabilities to gain strategic influence on the global stage. Brazil and the UAE have embarked on a collaborative journey to bolster their naval prowess. Central to this endeavor is the development of the MANSUP missile, a testament to their commitment to technological advancement. The MANSUP project represents a significant leap forward in naval missile technology. This undertaking underscores the growing strategic convergence between the two nations. The MANSUP missile promises to be a game-changer in naval warfare, providing both countries with a decisive edge in an increasingly complex maritime environment. The MANSUP project traces its roots back to the early 2010s Brazil and the UAE embarked on a quest for a more advanced anti-ship missile system. This shared ambition laid the foundation for a strategic partnership. Brazil possessed the technical expertise and manufacturing capabilities. The UAE brought financial resources and a keen interest in cutting-edge military hardware. This synergy of capabilities drove the MANSUP project. For Brazil, the partnership showcased its technological prowess. The UAE aimed to reduce its reliance on foreign suppliers. The signing of the formal agreement marked the culmination of years of discussions. This agreement outlined the roles and responsibilities of each partner. It also stipulated the transfer of technology and expertise, ensuring both nations would benefit from the collaborative endeavor. The MANSUP project has achieved significant milestones. The successful completion of the design and development phase was a testament to the engineers involved. This phase laid the groundwork for the production and testing of prototypes. The project moved into the testing and evaluation stage. Rigorous testing regimes were conducted to evaluate the missile's performance. These tests provided invaluable data for optimizing the missile's systems. The MANSUP missile boasts an impressive array of features. Its advanced guidance system allows for pinpoint accuracy. The powerful propulsion system enables engagement at extended ranges. The missile's stealth design makes it difficult for enemy radar to detect. It is highly resistant to electronic countermeasures, ensuring effectiveness even in environments with enemy jamming signals. The UAE's involvement in the MANSUP project aligns with its vision of becoming a prominent maritime power. The UAE has embarked on an ambitious naval modernization program. The MANSUP missile represents a cornerstone of this effort. The UAE's pursuit of blue water ambitions extends beyond its immediate maritime boundaries. The UAE recognizes the need to project power and influence on a wider scale. The MANSUP missile provides the UAE Navy with the means to operate in distant waters. It is a symbol of the UAE's technological aspirations. By investing in cutting-edge defense technologies, the UAE aims to establish itself as a regional leader. The technologies developed through projects like MANSUP contribute to the UAE's economic growth. The UAE's commitment to the MANSUP project is unwavering. The UAE sees the MANSUP missile as a critical asset in its quest for maritime security. The MANSUP project has generated interest in the global defense community. It serves as an example of how emerging partnerships can lead to cutting-edge military technologies. The MANSUP missile has drawn comparisons to other anti-ship missile systems worldwide. Analysts have likened its features to those of missiles like the French Exocet and the American Harpoon. The successful development of the MANSUP missile could have significant implications for regional security. Its extended range and enhanced capabilities could alter the balance of power. The project highlights the growing proliferation of advanced military technologies, underscoring the need for international cooperation to manage these risks. The MANSUP missile project stands as a testament to the power of international collaboration. This joint venture showcases how nations can pool their resources to develop cutting-edge technologies. The world watches with keen interest as the project progresses. The future of the MANSUP project appears bright. Both Brazil and the UAE express unwavering commitment to its success. Continued advancements in its capabilities are expected. The potential for upgrades ensures the MANSUP missile will remain formidable. The project has paved the way for further collaboration between Brazil and the UAE. Future collaborations could include unmanned systems and artificial intelligence. These advancements will benefit both nations and shape the future of warfare. The MANSUP project serves as a model for other nations seeking to enhance their defense capabilities. Partnerships like the one between Brazil and the UAE will become increasingly crucial in maintaining peace and stability.